Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing the review of the Blink video doorbell, and we're going to unbox it and we're going to install it. Let me show you guys. This is all it comes with. It tells us the first thing to do is to add the batteries. So we're just going to add the batteries first. And since we already have the system with Blink, we're just going to add it to our current system. So from your phone, you're going to open your app from Blink. The little cross to add, and it says right here the video doorbell, and then it's going to ask you to put the QR code, which is going to be this one right here in the back of the camera. And you put continue. We're going to do what it says right there. Pick it up, continue. The batteries are already in, and the light is already blinking red. We're gonna mount into the door. Since I don't have a charm box, we're just gonna have it connected to the cameras. The cameras are gonna be the ones that make the sound. And it's showing us that we're gonna be using this one right here. And then here's where you accept so you can make the nose on your cameras. Then we're gonna use this thing right here and the screws, and we're gonna put it where we want to place it outside. I'm gonna put it right there. So it's gonna look something like that, and then you're just gonna put it in there. Guys, the night view looks like this.